How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. Why narcissists behave the way they do. That's the title of this video. When we talk about narcissists, we are talking about someone who has an exaggerated sense of self-importance. A narcissist has a sense of entitlement, and they require constant, excessive admiration. They expect to be recognized as superior even without achievements that warrant it. They exaggerate their achievements and talents. They are preoccupied with fantasies about success, power, brilliance, beauty, or the perfect mate. Narcissists believe they are superior and that they can only associate with equally special people. They monopolize conversations. They belittle or look down on people they perceive as inferior. Narcissists expect special favors and unquestioning compliance with their expectations. They take advantage of others to get what they want. They have an inability or unwillingness to recognize the needs and feelings of others. They are envious of others and they believe others envy them. Narcissists are arrogant. They are boastful and they are pretentious. They insist on having the best of everything. The best car, the best office, the best house. They have significant interpersonal problems and they easily feel slighted. They react with rage or contempt and they try to belittle the other person to make themselves appear superior. They have difficulty regulating emotions and behavior. They experience major problems dealing with stress and adapting to change. They feel depressed and moody because they fall short of perfection. Narcissists have secret feelings of insecurity, shame, vulnerability, and humiliation. Now, why do narcissists behave the way they do? They have these feelings of intense shame that can lead, and this is what leads to narcissism. Narcissists also behave the way they do because of childhood trauma. They had a difficult childhood. They may either have overindulging parents or very neglecting ones. Children with parents who want to fulfill their dreams through their children, or the parents who simply don't care, are more likely to develop a narcissistic personality disorder. Now, these narcissists sometimes they have personality and genetics that have played a major role, or that has played a very important part in their narcissism. When being born to a narcissistic parent or being born with an oversensitive temperament can increase somebody's chances of developing narcissism later in life. Now, what are the emotionally abusive tactics that narcissists use? They gaslight oftenly. All narcissists will gaslight you. It is one of the most actively used tactics by narcissists. The narcissist will lie to the victim about a certain event and try to make the victim doubt their perception and sanity. When the narcissist gaslights someone, it makes the victim doubt their memory about how the event turned out to serve the agenda of the abuser. Also, the narcissist will emotionally abuse others using projection. Now, this is where the narcissist imposes their issues onto the victim, as if he's the one creating problems and making life difficult for the abuser. That's why the narcissist will call you a narcissist. The other reason why a narcissist will call you a narcissist, or other tactics that they use to abuse others, is blame shifting. When a narcissist is losing control in an argument, they blame shift to regain that control and power. They have difficulty taking responsibility for their flaws, so they shift it to other people. When you confront a narcissist, they will shift the blame of their wrongdoings on either you or someone else. Also, the narcissist will guilt trip you. They'll try to point out their efforts while belittling your own. This emotional abuse tactic is passive aggressive and is used to make the other person change their actions or behavior. A narcissist will guilt trip you to make you feel guilty for choosing yourself first over them. Because in the narcissist worldview, they are superior than you. They deserve everything. According to the narcissist, it is always your fault and never theirs. Again, the narcissist will treat you silent treatment. They'll give you the silent treatment. They will stonewall you. They use it as a way to punish you for not behaving in the way they wanted. This silent treatment is a way for the narcissist to manipulate you, to blame you, and to assert control on you. So, when a narcissist calls you a narcissist, you need to end that relationship very fast. And you can end it by setting clear and healthy boundaries. Establish healthy and clear boundaries, because this will help you move on from that toxic narcissistic relationship. You will feel less accountable for the narcissist's actions, behaviors, and emotions. You can also end that relationship with the narcissist by seeking professional help and joining a support group. When you talk to a professional therapist, it can be extremely helpful experience. You can also focus on yourself. Nurture yourself and give yourself the time needed for the healing process. Take care of your body and mind. Meditate to clear your thoughts. You can be aware of the manipulation. The narcissist may try to punish you by quickly moving on with someone else. They may even beg you to come back, but be aware that this is a manipulation tactic. Remember, narcissists lack empathy, so they don't feel other people's pain, and they are not compassionate either. Try to stay away from the narcissist if you need to end a relationship with them. Don't have any contact with the narcissist. Don't blame yourself when you're ending your relationship with the narcissist, because the narcissist may blame you for choosing yourself over them or over that relationship. But you must support yourself and do not take that blame. Your decision to improve your life is your right. To end a relationship with a narcissist, prepare yourself for retaliation. It is always a possibility with narcissists for them to retaliate. They may verbally or emotionally abuse you. So use your knowledge about the narcissist's behavior and prepare yourself for it. Remember, if you are dealing with a narcissist, it doesn't mean anything about you. A narcissist, generally, they are insecure people. They accuse you all the time. So when this happens, just tell them that they are narcissistic and that they should stop talking to you. And if they continue trying to reach out to you, ignore them, because there's no point in arguing with a pathological liar who doesn't care about anyone but themselves. You can also confront them and ask them what makes them think they're so terrific. So be careful how much time you spend around a narcissist, because if they are more powerful than you, or if they have any degree of power over you, they'll take advantage and they'll try to control everything so that you do what they want and not what is good for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you.